War never sends a polite warning. It creeps in through headlines, rumors, rising tensions, until suddenly the world around you shatters. When peace begins to crack, preparation becomes your only lifeline. Stockpiling essentials is not paranoia. It's a survival strategy. Begin by gathering clean drinking water. Aim for at least 3 liters per person per day. Store non-perishable food, canned goods, energy bars, dry grains. These can last for months. Keep your supplies in a cool, dry space, away from sunlight and pests. Medicines are critical. Stock up on antibiotics, painkillers, and hygiene supplies like soap, toothpaste, and sanitary items. Your documents, ID cards, passports, property papers, must be protected. Seal them in waterproof bags or fire-resistant pouches. In war, proving who you are can be the difference between freedom and detention. Prepare a go bag, a small backpack with the bare essentials for escape. Include a flashlight, extra batteries, a power bank, emergency cash, a whistle, and basic first aid. Throw in a map. Digital signals can disappear. Learn how to use a compass. This isn't about luxury. It's about staying alive when every second matters. Information becomes a weapon. Download offline maps. Tune in to local radio. It will become your new source of truth. Forget social media. It's the first to go down or be manipulated. Learn self-defense, basic martial arts, how to disarm, how to run smart. Study first aid, CPR, wound dressing, choking relief. You don't need to be a doctor, just enough to keep someone breathing. Know your city. Learn every alley, shortcut, and hidden path. Peaceful roads today may become deadly tomorrow. Mentally prepare yourself. War tests more than muscle. It tests your spirit. Start building discipline. Wake early. Train daily. Think clearly under stress. Build a network. Neighbors, local shops, close friends. In war, community saves lives. And above all, accept one thing. No matter how safe things feel right now, tomorrow is never promised. When war comes, it rewards the ready and punishes the hopeful. Being ready doesn't mean living in fear. It means owning your fate. Every can of food you stack, every radio you charge, every lesson you learn, these are bricks in the wall between you and chaos. When everything falls apart, you'll either panic or perform. And performance starts now. The moment war breaks out, the world changes in a heartbeat. Panic takes over cities like wildfire. The internet dies, phones go silent, and people flood the streets like ants escaping a storm. Roads choke with traffic, shelves go empty, and once friendly faces turn suspicious. If you've prepared early, you'll know what to do. Step 1. Do not panic. Fear clouds your mind, and clear thinking is your best weapon. Stay calm, even when the air smells of smoke and sirens scream in the distance. Avoid crowds. That may seem unnatural. We're used to finding comfort in numbers, but in war, crowds mean danger. They attract looters, soldiers, and stray bullets. Stay home if it's safe. Lock doors, reinforce windows, keep lights low at night. If evacuation orders come, verify them. Disinformation spreads fast in conflict. Only leave if you're sure the road is safe. Most deaths in early war zones happen during chaotic escapes. If you must flee, use your go bag. Move fast, stay off main roads, and never travel alone if you can help it. If you're staying, convert your home into a shelter. Block windows with furniture or sandbags. Choose an interior room, away from outside walls and glass. Fill bathtubs and buckets with clean water in case supply cuts. Electricity may vanish, so charge all power sources while you can. Disconnect from digital distractions. Radios become your link to the world. Check for updates every hour, but trust only verified sources. Rumors kill. Keep a low profile. No loud music. No fires that attract attention, no unnecessary movement. Teach your family hand signals, emergency words, and what to do if separated. Children must know how to hide quietly. Always have shoes on. You never know when you'll need to run. And if soldiers or unknown forces approach, do not engage. Stay silent. Stay still. Hide. This phase, the first wave, is about outlasting the storm. It's not about fighting. It's not about glory. It's about living one more hour, one more day. Every decision now determines what you'll face tomorrow. So move smart, stay hidden, and remember, the chaos is just beginning. When the dust settles and armies take control, survival enters a new chapter. Occupation isn't the end of danger. It's the beginning of a quieter, more sinister war. You are now living under someone else's rules, and your first rule, don't stand out. Dress simply. Hide anything that looks expensive or foreign. Speak less. Watch more. In a world ruled by suspicion, silence is safety. Curfews become law. Never test them. Plan your day around light. Avoid going out after sunset. Markets may reopen, but prices skyrocket. Learn to barter. Your skills, sewing, fixing things, cooking, become currency. Gold is useless if you can't find water. Hide your valuables in places no one would check. Under floorboards, behind toilets, inside sealed food containers. Never trust anyone with your hiding spots, not even family. Avoid military checkpoints. If you must pass, be respectful. Carry documents. Don't argue. Don't question. Their word is law. If you're searched, stay calm. Don't show fear, but don't act brave. Both get punished. Blend in with civilians. Learn the language, the mannerisms, the phrases. Foreignness can be a death sentence. If you're part of a targeted group, stay underground. Fake names, fake papers, disappear. Supply lines will be cut. Farms taken, power gone. You'll need to live like a ghost. Grow food if possible. Rooftops, balconies, even pots. Purify water with tablets or boiling. Ration everything. One mistake, and you could lose a week's worth of survival. Trade quietly. Build alliances with those who share your situation, but trust slowly. Desperation makes people dangerous, and most importantly, know when to act and when to wait. Not every window is safe. Not every opportunity is real. Occupation is a waiting game, and waiting without losing hope is the hardest part. If you can master patience, you've already won half the battle. Sometimes you'll come face to face with the enemy, soldiers, mercenaries, even looters dressed like civilians. These moments are pure survival. There's no script, but there are rules. Rule 1, posture. Stand straight, hands visible, no sudden moves. Look cooperative, not afraid. Fear makes you look guilty. Aggression makes you a target. Keep your voice calm, answer short, and don't speak unless spoken to. If questioned, give only what's necessary. Don't lie unless you're sure you can pull it off. Lies can unravel fast, and in war, people don't forgive mistakes. If you're accused, never argue. Ask for clarification. Stay respectful. Sometimes, silence is smarter than defense. Your goal is to be forgettable, not memorable. Don't wear clothing with political messages, religious symbols, or foreign flags. Neutrality is armor. If detained, memorize your surroundings, exit points, guard routines, supplies nearby. Don't ask questions, observe. Sometimes escape is possible, but most times it's not. If you resist, you must be willing to face the worst. So calculate. Know when to yield and when to act. Surrendering your pride may save your life. During house raids, stay invisible. Don't run unless you're absolutely sure you won't be seen. Hiding places must be prepared in advance, under floorboards, false walls, hollow furniture. If you help someone escape, prepare for lifelong silence. No one must know what you did. War rewards courage, but only if it's quiet. And if it comes to life or death, if there's truly no way out, then remember, your life is worth more than your possessions, your pride, or your politics. Survival doesn't mean winning. It means breathing when others can't. That's the only goal. As weeks stretch into months, survival becomes mental. You'll hear things, distant bombs, cries in the night, voices in your own head. You'll start forgetting normal life. Time blends. The war outside becomes the war inside. This is when many people give up, even if they're alive. Don't let yourself be one of them. Routine is your anchor. Wake up at the same time. Clean, move, eat, think. Make your body feel useful, even if it's just sweeping the floor. Write something daily. Draw, sing quietly. Talk to yourself. Remind your brain it still works. Hope fades without habit, but habit builds resilience. Share tasks with others, especially children. It makes them feel strong, and strength is contagious. Faith helps. Whether it's prayer, meditation, or belief in a higher purpose, cling to something bigger than yourself. It gives meaning to suffering. Remember people who survived worse. Read their stories if you can. History reminds us, the human soul is harder than iron, and you are proof of that. Avoid isolation, but also avoid negativity. Some people spread despair like disease. Limit contact. You need voices that lift you, not bury you. If you lose someone, mourn, but don't freeze. Their memory is honored by your survival. And if you're alone, speak aloud. Tell yourself, I'm still here. I'm still alive. I will keep going. War ends, always. But how you live through it, how you carry those years, defines who you are after. This phase builds not just survivors, but legends. Surviving war isn't just a skill, it's a mindset. And that mindset starts today. Don't wait for gunfire to learn courage. Don't wait for collapse to understand peace. Start becoming who you need to be now. Learn, prepare, connect, stay alert, but stay human. Forgive yourself for fear. It's natural, but never let fear control you. Make calm decisions. Help others if you can, but never at the cost of your survival. Know this, the strong don't always look tough. Sometimes they're the quiet ones holding it together when everyone else breaks. War will try to change you, turn you into something darker, but survival means keeping your soul intact. protect your body, but also protect your mind. You are not a machine. You are a person, and people endure. When it's over, and it will end, you'll walk into a world that looks different. Cities destroyed, loved ones gone, futures rewritten, but you'll still be standing. And in that moment, you'll know you didn't just survive war, you beat it, because the ultimate victory is living to tell the story.